All right, this is take two, trying to get a chesty mount GoPro and the mountain bike going on some trails. The first one sucked because I don't know if you've ever watched a video where you were constantly lifting your head up. It was that way, so I got this thing adjusted a little different. Oh, see what happens here. Sun's gonna be in our face. See a person with their dog walking up there, I'll make sure to try to ring my bell. I need a manual bell. Coming up behind you. I didn't want to scare you. All right, here we go. Takes about 2 minutes to get here. Is it's a disc golf area, and it's also for hiking, biking. You can see up there's one of the disc golf things right there. And when you get on the top, you'll really see. If you like disc golf and you like being outside, this place is ridiculous. So basically all this that you see over kind of to the left is disc golf, and this little cement pad here is one of the places where you start. And then that area over there where you can see the green fields popping up with the mountains in the background, it goes clear around. I mean, way over there is a great big square, and then within the square are other squares. And people, in fact, that's probably where that girl is going to walk out there. You can make great big circles around there. You can ride a bike. Anybody can walk out there. Some people run out there. I don't know if you can tell, but down there is probably 30, 40 feet down. And then over on this side, is all this you see is disc golf. I mean, like, as far as you can go over there. I'll try to go over there. It'll probably be a boring video for most, but my brother will probably get a kick out of it because it's fun to go mountain biking out here. And it's unique. It's not like the trails. It's just there's just places everywhere to go, and the views are incredible. That's the Grand Mesa over there. Mount Garfield is to the left, and I'll let's go ride around a little bit. It's pretty cool out here. There's a nice little drop over here. Hopefully this thing's recording. I came out here once and rode just a little bit, and then I went back and got the camera, and then the camera was screwed up. So this is the third time. Nice little drop here. That is fun. And then there's some other areas over there I'll show you, but if I can find the trail leads to the other side. The ravines are so deep that if you're on one side, if you're walking you can get over, but if you're on a bike you can't. So it's kind of a cool little trail back through here. And then up ahead is another one of those pads where you evidently stand. I don't know how to play disc golf. There's a cool little drop through here, a little jump and a turn, and then it goes to the other side. Oh, wrong gear. All right, that's better. Here's another one of the little, over here, I don't know if you can see, big jumps over there. We'll go over there in a minute. And then over here it opens up. This way. Yeah, here's one of the ravines. A lot of these trails are washed out, so you got to kind of watch it. You might drop down. It's just a bad spot to be. Let's go this way. I don't know if this goes over there. Yeah, it looks like it goes down. Hasn't been used much. Down and around, and then I'm not sure where it goes from there. Not for me. I don't think that trail's been used for quite a while. Alright, let's find a... Yeah, in fact a lot of this is washed out. Let's see where we at. It's almost like this place used to be used a lot and now it's not. Here's another one of those cement things. A little jump. goes anywhere. Let's go. I think I can go down there and turn left, maybe. Let's see where this goes. Now this is pretty cool. Oh, there's a little trail up top. Looks like this one. Looks like there's just trails all over the place. Whoa. I am not a good mountain biker, by the way. But this is fun. Where to? Looks like. Let's see if we can get in the right gear. Oh, much easier to climb the right gear. Alright. Let's go. This goes anywhere. Man, it's hard to see with the sun. No, that's an old trail there. Yeah, let's go see. Yeah, that goes to nothing. You could go down there. You could go down here and end up back where I was at, or you could go down through there. Let's go this way. Well, those book cliffs are looking nice today. That's the Book Cliff Mountains. Some days it's real hazy. That's the dunes are over there. That's where I go ride the dune buggy. And when it's really dry and the winds kick up, it's real hazy. Today it's a little hazy, but not bad. Pretty cool being able to ride with those views, and I can't tell you how nice it is right now. It's probably, I'm almost cold, probably 60, 55, something like that. Let's see, I can bend that way, maybe. We'll go this way. I got an odd noise on my bike. Oh, that bugs me. What is that? Here's something. Oh, my crag's coming loose. Yikes. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Alright, well, I guess that's it for now. Alright, well, that's why you carry tools. I had a, there's a nut in there. There's a tool that spins and holds this sprocket on there. So, just flip it up the best I can. I need to do a little work on this part. But we'll keep riding. Start heading back home. Yeah, that'd be a bit of a walk. I'm probably, I guess I'm only a mile or two away. Oops. There, that sounds better. All right. Yeah, it's a good sign that I need to go over all the nuts and bolts on this. I've got the special tool to tighten that. Hopefully this thing's aimed right. There's an area up here that I think the wind's probably cutting me out. I'm not going to talk. less wind over here. They got some big jumps over here. Really cool stuff. Not for me, but there's a big rabbit just ran off. This little trail right here would be fun for about anybody. A gravel bike you could take out here. There's a couple big jumps right here, and it looks like a jump and a drop. Yeah, that's a big gap. Be fun to watch some braver people than me do that. All right. How are you? How are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Looks like you're having fun. That was perfect timing. I was just going to say this is a easy trail right here. I don't think you'd have to have a fancy bike or anything. Now some of those areas where you're up on the skinnier areas, you wouldn't want to take somebody like that's a beginner, but there's a lot of people like that in this town. They just come out here and they enjoy it and probably go home, cook a big supper. And then this trail ends up popping out right where I came in at. I went forward up there, and if you turn left, you'll enter this side. Pretty fun place. Mountains and the fresh air. Oh yeah, this is cool. School over there. Now, get on home, tighten up my bike. Some ducks up here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there's a mama, a papa, and a baby. All right, let's go. Well, that's fun. Battery's getting low on the bike. And then I need to put it on the stand and look it over. Other than that, it seems to be working good. All right, hopefully this thing worked. See you next time.